Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a head-to-head comparison of two top dogs in the industry. We're having a look at Confluence, we're also having a look at Notion, both extremely powerful productivity and project management applications. However, which one is better for your use case? Let's check them out. We're jumping into Confluence now, and Confluence centralizes all of your team's knowledge and project information. It removes info silos and it keeps everyone updated with best practices and key resources. This streamlined access improves collaboration and enables smart decisions. Also, it has collaborative editing. This is real-time teamwork. So multiple users can actually edit the same document simultaneously without any conflicts. It offers immediate feedback, enabling fast content creation and quick revisions, and you can easily revert to previous document versions. It also offers customizable templates, so your project plans, you can have pre-instructed layouts to organize your tasks efficiency. It offers consistent formats to capture discussions and decisions, and it offers templates that ensure clarity and uniformity across all of your content and your team. Having a look at some of the integrations that it offers, you can integrate the software with pretty much anything to do any other type of business workflow. So anything from Jira, Trello for project tracking. It also integrates with Slack, Google Workspace for streamlined communication, and it's a cross-functional workflow, which is fantastic. It minimizes switching between apps, and that can waste time, and you can end up losing data in between. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many tools out there and they have so many features. The takeaway really should be to go and use every one of these tools and see what actually works for you, for your business, for your organization, and your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.